Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my boring, realistic, productive morning routine. This is literally actually everything I do every single morning. For some reason, my body has learned to awaken me at 5:45ish every morning, and I hate it for doing that to me, but at least it gives me more hours in a day to eat. I lie there for a good 10 minutes just recollecting my thoughts, asking myself what day it is, what I should have for breakfast, and then I realize I already know the answer because I have the same thing every single day. Kind of just chill, pet my dog, stretch my toes. Once I can fully open my eyes, I go on my phone because I'm not gonna lie and say don't do that. I feel like the light of the screen kind of helps me wake up in the morning. After a good 20 minutes of convincing myself I actually need to start doing something productive with my life, I get out of bed and no, I don't make my bed. Please do not kill me. I grab my workout clothes, head to the bathroom to do some bathroom stuff. Once I change, I head downstairs as quietly as possible because my whole family is asleep. And once I'm downstairs, I drink water, then I spend a good 45 minutes to an hour on my computer responding to emails, looking at comments, working on some work. Some actually productive stuff going on over here. After I feel like I've done enough stuff, I go to my pink mat in the basement and prepare myself mentally for the next hour of pain. I'm kidding, I actually really look forward to this workout every morning. Yeah, I'm that girl. I make a playlist on YouTube of the workouts that I want to do the night before, or sometimes even at the beginning of the week. Really depends on the week. Every morning I do a different workout, but today was butt day. And butt day is a painful, painful day. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that I don't have control. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come. I had 2 workout videos planned for today, and between the videos, I drink water, and then I get distracted and go on my phone for about 10 minutes, and then I get my shit together again and go back to killing my butt. Don't worry, you ain't gotta come to conclusions this early.
What? No!
I'm worried, but I did it to myself, yeah. I'm worried that you don't need me. What do I have to say to keep you by my side? How to start in the liquefied. Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Maybe 1, loving 2, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking what if it's you and me at the end, and maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. And then after I'm done all that, I just take 10 minutes out of every morning to just stretch and breathe. Hello? You wanna come? Hello? So the supplements I take are actually recommended by my doctor, but the vitamin gummies I honestly just eat because they taste good. I know they probably don't do much and are probably a waste of money, but they taste really good, so I have them. I now work on some YouTube stuff, my summer internship, from anywhere between an hour and a half to 4 hours at this time. It really depends on how invested and in the zone I am. We all know what time it is. Banana protein pancakes. A lot of you guys wanted me to actually show you guys the steps I take, so That's what I'm doing. Basically, I just throw everything up in a blender, blend up all the ingredients. You want to make sure the texture isn't too runny. If it's thicker, that's okay, but if it's too runny, it makes it really difficult to flip. While waiting for the pan to heat up, I typically prep the fruits for my fruit mountain. Very strong. Are you tired? Are you tired? After I spray my pan, I pour the batter in, let it harden and brown on the bottom slightly, and you want like little bubbles to appear on the top of the pancake, and then you flip them, and then the fun part begins. It's not the worst thing that has happened, so you're still okay. By the way, guys, I only stack them for aesthetic purposes. I actually never do this because if they're flat, I find that it allows for a more even distribution of the peanut butter and maple syrup, which is ideal, obviously. After breakfast, I literally just go on my laptop and do more work, and my mom cooks something for lunch, but because it was so highly requested, I present to you the famous Bǐng recipe. There are literally just 4 ingredients: flour, water, salt, and oil. So you want to start off by just slowly pouring the water into the flour and mix it up until it forms a loose ball-like shape, and then you knead it, and you may not actually need all the water, so just add the water in increments. If you don't know how to knead, don't worry, I don't know either, but YouTube, Google, has some great videos on how to knead dough. And once you have a ball, my mom just says, let it rest, let it sleep for 30 minutes. Okay, bye-bye. Hello. Take me on this journey. Give it to me. Come here. Come here. Sit. Go. Oh, angry. And we're back. So now it should be a lot softer and easier to work with, so you want to knead it some more until it's elasticy and smooth and shiny. Look how cute it is, oh my god. Once you roll the dough out really flat, you're going to want to add some salt and then roll the salt into the dough, and then you're going to want to add some oil and then make sure you spread it out evenly. After that, you want to sprinkle some more flour onto the oil, and then you roll it up like a cinnamon roll. Now, this part looks a little bit complicated, but it really isn't. You literally just flatten it, and then you fold in from the 2 edges, and then you flatten again, you fold it in half, and then you flatten it again. Just watch my mom. Trust me, it's not that hard. So you want to heat a pan on medium heat, spray it with a little bit of oil, and once it's hot, place the beans on it for 1 minute, then flip it over after the minute's over, and then you want to put a lid on and continue to flip it and uncover it with the lid until it gets crispy and brown and the dough has risen. Hi buddy, how you doing? Good boy. Oh, let's go. The beans are ready. The beans are ready! The beans are ready! 鼓了，看见了吗？然后呢，就把它翻过来一看，你就这颜色了。Ooh! There you go, everyone. That is Bǐng. It does look a little bit complicated, but once you guys get the hang of it, it's really easy. Says my mom anyways. And then you just eat it. Usually I eat it with scrambled eggs and ketchup, or you can do a fried egg, or meat, or no meat if you don't eat meat. Honestly, I just eat it plain. It's delicious any way you eat it. I just work on internships and stuff and YouTube, usually for the rest of the afternoon. Yep, that is how boring my life is. But I actually kind of enjoy it, which is also quite sad. Anyways, that concludes my morning routine, everyone. I hope you guys had a really good morning yourselves, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.
Okay, fine. Look here. Say bye-bye. Good boy. Say bye-bye.